Hello, this is a brief tutorial on how to provide evidence for the sleep tracker. I'm already logged in on the Healthy Human website. I'm going to click on Trackers, and then at the sleep tracker I'm going to click on Reports. And I know I'm in the correct one because that tab is highlighted. I'm going to then make sure that Sleep Summary is checked. It's surrounded in blue. That's how I know it's the correct one. And I'm going to enter my dates. You're going to make sure you have the week range in which you collected your information, or at the very least in which you have the 3 nights of sleep captured in that range. For me, I did actually 4 nights of sleep tracking from the 13th through the 19th. I selected those dates and I hit Run Report. Usually a new tab will pop up like this and it shows me the summary. You can see the dates that I entered the sleep times. My going to bed time is entered here, my wake time is entered here, and the duration. If I wrote any notes, they will also be there as well. I can use this information then to complete the worksheet that is needed to be done on Site Portal. I find that worksheet by going into the Sleep Stress Release project in Portal, scrolling all the way down to 1.4 Submission, and clicking on this link for the worksheet. I have already started to fill out the worksheet based on the information that I retrieved from the Healthy Human website. I list the 4 nights that I collected my sleep information. I use that information to let people know when I usually went to sleep, which was any time between 9 p.m. and 12 a.m., and then the range of time when I would usually wake up, which is between 3 a.m. and 7 p.m. And again, you can get this information by going back to the summary. You can see 9 through midnight for going to sleep, 3 through 7 for waking up. And then I can tell how many times I would have interruptions and getting up. And then when I would calculate my sleep debt per night, so if I have 4 nights of sleep listed, I have to list 4 nights of sleep debt. If you have 3, then you would just have 3 here. And remember, you calculate your sleep debt by taking 8 minus the duration. So 8 minus this number, 8 minus this number, which would be a -1, 8 minus 8, which would be a 0, and 8 minus this number. So once you do that, you complete that, and you just list them there with a comma in between. Next, you then choose what goal you want to do, and this is from the Site Portal website. So if you go under 1.2 goal selection, you want to select one of these 2 goals, and you can just simply copy and paste that into the worksheet. That's what I've done right here, is the 8 hours of sleep. You want to explain why you want that to be your goal. And then you want to select which of the types of plans you think will be needed to help you implement your goal. So again, head back to Portal, go under 1.3 Goal Implementation Plan, and you can choose any of these that you think will help you. Choose as many as you want. And I have these 2 that I copied here. Now this last part is extremely important. If you do not have your evidence, you will not get this graded. Once again, if you do not properly copy and paste your evidence by using a screenshot, then you will not have any points for this project here. What you do is go back to the website and you have to take a screenshot. It's not enough to just copy and paste. So let me tell you what not to do. Let me show you the bad way to do it. Again, don't do it this way. The bad way to do it would be to come back to the site and you're trying to highlight as much as you can. It won't let you really highlight a whole lot. So you say, well, I'll just highlight this. And you hit copy. And you come back to the worksheet and you hit paste. And that's what it looks like. And it's just unreadable to us because it's not formatted and it doesn't have your name. So again, this is the wrong way to do it. Don't do it like this. If it looks like this, you will get 0 points. Let me delete since it's not the way to do it. Instead, you're going to have to figure out on your computer how best to do a screenshot. It really does vary by computer. If you need help, feel free to come to lab and we will teach you at least how to do it on the lab computers. For this one, I'll just show you how I'm going to do it. I have my report in a PDF and I'm going to click on the select button, and this is what you want to select. You want to select this whole part right here. That includes your name, the Healthy Human logo, and all of the data that you entered. So again, you need to have all of this information right here. And then I'm going to simply copy. Then I'll head back to my worksheet, put my cursor in the right spot, paste, and now you see this is properly formatted. It has my name. The table is still intact. You can see the logo. This is the type of evidence that you must post. It cannot be unformatted. It has to be formatted like this. And once you have that done and everything is completed, then you have completed this section of Worksheet Part 1, the sleep section only.